Hello kids, let's learn to week's name, kids, week's name, and the beautiful color's name, kids, color's name. First color name, kids, pink color, light green color, sky blue color, brown color, light pink color, blue color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, red color. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. N O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somar. D U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhvar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Sunday Ravivar. Monday Somar. Tuesday Mangalwar. Wednesday Budhvar. Thursday Guruvar. Friday Shukrar. Saturday Shanivar. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.